YouTube, this is Ringo from 7 Education, and we are back for more math past paper question. Okay, so today we have question number 6. So let f of x equals px squared, obviously it's going to be discriminant. Actually, the first part showed that the discriminant of f of x is 100 equals minus 4p squared. So what is the discriminant? Well, guys, you guys have to go and remember b squared minus 4ac is the discriminant. If you guys can't remember it, I think it's somewhere in the formula booklet as well. So it says discriminant. So if you guys don't know and you don't know how to look for it in a formula booklet, I'm so sorry, you're not going to get a 6 or 7. Okay, moving on. So what we get is b squared minus 4ac. b is the coefficient of x. So simply we go for 10 minus p whole square minus 4 times p times, what is c? Ooh, c is nasty. C is actually 5 over 4p plus 5. Lovely. Okay, show that the discriminant is that. Okay, alright, so what we are going to do is we're going to expand that. So we're going to get 100 minus 10p minus 10p plus p squared minus, okay, so that and that cancels out. So 5p squared, yeah, plus 5p. Wow, that was a mouthful. So minus 20p plus p squared minus that, so p squared minus, so that's minus 4p squared plus 5p. Plus 5p minus 20, so that is simply 100 minus 15p minus 4p squared. Alright, we have to make sure it looks something like that, and it doesn't, so we've made a mistake somewhere. 4p, that is the part where I made the mistake. So guys, can you see? When I tried to simplify it, I did this, but I forgot to do this. So 4p times 5 is actually 20p. So guys, you know, this is how you try to spot. I'm not going to cut out my mistake because I want you guys to be able to spot your own mistake when you're doing questions like this. So minus 20 plus 20p, that is simply that. So cancel those out. So simply 4p squared. Done. We are able to demonstrate that. Moving on, find the value of p so that f of x has 2 equal roots. 2 equal roots simply means that the discriminant equals 0. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, that was simple. Okay, we're going to move it over, and then we're going to divide it over. 25 equals p squared, and therefore p equals 5. Obviously, we need to add the plus or minus to get the correct answer, because find the values. That's it. So guys, remember when you're expanding, be careful and, you know, learn to spot your own mistake. Peace out for now. This is Ringo from 7 Education.